Namaste everyone. My name is Venkat J. Krishnan and I am pursuing B.Tech in Civil Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. The cause I would like to dedicate my life for is the rural empowerment. Villages where cultures and traditions were thousands of years of age are still being preserved in this pristine form, where traditional folk tales are still being passed from generation to generation. It's extremely crucial to understand and preserve the cultural diversity of the nation. But it's a hard reality that 60% of India's population still lives in poverty, in villages without basic access to health, education, power, and all the roads, and even drinking water supply. Almost 5,000 farmers end up their lives each year being caught in the vicious cycle of poverty. And it's our constitutional obligation to fulfill the Article 21 of the Constitution, which states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty, which we have been continuously failing to provide since independence. Now, the reason why I'd like to attend this boot camp is because that I believe that the ultimate service to God is through service to humanity. India as a nation faces lots of problems ranging from poverty, employment, malnutrition, and literacy. We have miles to go before we sleep. Now, the basic reason why this continued trend of poverty and employment generation is that there's misconnect between the ground realities and the policy making. So what I would like to do is that I like to work from the ground and follow a bottom-up approach, and so as to try to fill the gap between policy making and policy implementation. Now, through this camp, I'd like to develop a strong network with hundreds of people, hundreds of capable, enlightened, and empowered individuals who come for the camp for the single purpose of service to the motherland. And these individuals can work hand in hand and create and give rise to a new India without a rich, without poor, without greed or poverty, without lord or without a slave. The new India, a welfare state in its purest form, can secure its citizens justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. A new India which the makers of our constitution always dreamt of. Thank you.